Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Время повеселиться. Часть первая, страница 83, 84, 85, 86. English, Starlight 3. Time for some fun. Homework, part number 1, page number 83, 84, 85, 86. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 83. 83. It's so cute. Plural number. Irregular plurals. Read and match, then listen and check. Man, man. Woman, women. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Spot the differences. Найдите отличия. The answer. In picture A, there's one man. In picture B, there are 2 men. In picture A, there are 2 women. In picture B, there's 1 woman. In picture A, there's 1 child. In picture B, there are 2 children. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 84, 84. It's so cute. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушайте и прочтите диалог. It's a lovely day. Let's go for a walk. Listen, what's that? It's a kitten. Look, it's in the tree. Oh, it's so cute. It's got a small nose and small pink ears. And it's got blue eyes. Lee, be careful. Oh no, look, it hasn't got a big body. But it's got a long tail. Oh, I've got wet hair. We've got wet legs and feet. Yes, but we haven't. Time for some fun. Now we're all wet. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and choose A or B. Прочтите диалог еще раз и выберите A или B. I've got wet hair. Lee, Emma. We've got wet legs and feet. Emma and Mona. Lee and Harry. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 86, 86. Exercise number 1. Listen and read. Послушай и прочитай. I've got hair on my ears. I've got hair on my head. I got hair on my tail. I got hair on my legs. I got hair everywhere, from my head to my feet. I got hair everywhere. I'm kitten and I'm sweet. I got hair on my tummy. I got hair on my feet. And when I lick my body, I got hair on my teeth. My dear friends, do exercise number 2. Let's make a mask. Давайте сделаем маску. Now, sing and do. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.